How to redeem gift card in Lyft application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem codes. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this account settings. Simply tap on it. So these are the settings available. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called gift cards. Simply tap on gift cards. So this is the section where you can get and redeem the gift card. Here you can see the option called give the gift of rides. So here you must add a promo number or promo code in order to redeem it, but make sure it is a valid one and there is an expiration date to it. So pick up the right redeem code and you'll be able to get different offers in your ride. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.